Hey YouTubers, welcome back to the channel. This is Everyday Finance and I'm your host, Bobby. If this is your first time on the channel, be sure to smash that like, subscribe, and the notification bell so that you can get updates on future content and video similar to what you'll see in today's video. In today's video, we're going to talk about financial stress. We're going to talk about some ways that you can help alleviate and navigate your way through this stress as well. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Being in a bad financial situation is no joke, especially for men. Self-criticism, doubt, anxiety, and depression can all be brought on from financial stress. Financial stress can be brought on from a myriad of reasons. Not having enough money to cover the bills, the uncertainty of job status, miscellaneous or emergency expenses, or debt. Even before the global pandemic and the resulting economic fallout, the American Psychological Association, or the APA, study found that at least 64% of Americans feel stressed sometime about money. The recent economic difficulties mean that even more of us are now facing financial struggles and hardships. Here's how you can alleviate financial stress and conquer your problems. Step 1. Own it. Have a real conversation with yourself about what went wrong and why. Write it down. Identifying where you went wrong will help you not make the same mistake or mistakes again. Acknowledging a shortcoming does not mean that you're a failure or that you're unable to fix your financial woes. What it does mean is that you've taken ownership of your inability to do this alone. No one gets through life alone, and financial stress is no different. Step 2, talk to someone. When it comes to money shortcomings, you don't have to be a tough guy. We've all fallen short at some point in our lives. Attempting to do it alone has already failed you. Bottling things up will be no exception and will lead right back to stress or worse. Find someone, whether it be a trusted friend, family, or neighbor. Expressing your problems can feel shameful or awkward, but it's also a stress reliever and can put your problems into perspective. Sometimes all it takes is having a different perspective to help you fix or alleviate your financial problem. Step 3, seek professional advice. From debt consolidation companies to credit counselors, financial professionals are readily available and want to help you fix your financial stress and your financial problems. Be straightforward and explain all the problems that you've had managing your finances or paying the bills. Many companies have resources or affiliates that may be able to offer you access to different programs and things of that nature that can help you in the financial stress and also in your financial problems. Step 4, take inventory of your finances. While struggling to make ends meet, you may be receiving past due or late bills in the mail, or harassing or threatening phone calls and messages. Don't put these to the side or ignore them. Accept the reality of your situation. It will make things better in the long run. Talk to creditors to see if extensions or payment plans are available that will help you redistribute or minimize your payments so that they become more manageable. Understand what money you have available to you and how you want to apply it to your existing debts. Talk to your family and friends as well to see if they can help or contribute to getting things back on track. If none of these steps have worked for you, be sure to visit financialstress.com. This site offers a ton of tools such as debt consolidation services, as well as student loan and credit card services that can help you on your road to financial freedom. If you need to talk to someone immediately, go to betterhelp.com. They provide online counseling and therapy sessions. Being in better health mentally will put you in better health financially. I hope this information has been beneficial to you and your loved ones. If it has, be sure to share it with your friends, coworkers, or anyone that you feel can use this information to help themselves. If it has been beneficial to you, be sure to smash that like, subscribe, and that notification bell so that you can continue to get updates on future content and videos similar to what you saw in today's video. And guys, always remember, there is no goal that is unobtainable when you apply everyday finance. I'll see you guys in the next video.